If you're over 60 and you're not doing this one exercise, you're slowly losing strength, balance, and independence every single day. Most seniors don't even realize it until it's too late. Let's be honest. Many seniors think walking, light stretching, or occasional movement is enough to stay healthy. But the truth is, walking alone cannot stop muscle loss, joint weakness, or the hidden risks of falling. Every year, millions of seniors face injuries, and it's often preventable with the right exercise. Doctors, physical therapists, and fitness experts all agree. After 60, there is one exercise you must do daily to protect your knees, hips, and overall strength. Skip this, and you're risking mobility, confidence, and independence. This is the chair squat, and it's simple, safe, and extremely effective. Step 1. Setup. Sit on a sturdy chair with feet shoulder-width apart. Keep your back straight, chest up, core engaged. Step 2. Execution. Slowly stand up, pushing through your heels. Pause at the top for 1 to 2 seconds. Step 3. Return. Sit down slowly, controlling the movement. Repeat 8 to 12 times per set. Quality is more important than speed. Hold the chair if needed, but let your legs and glutes do the work. Common mistakes seniors make. Many seniors make these mistakes. 1. Using momentum to stand instead of muscles. 2. Sitting too low or too high. 3. Not controlling the descent, which can stress knees. 4. Doing it only once or twice a week. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll see results faster. Safely. Let me tell you about Mr. Alex, 65 years old. He thought walking every day was enough. Within months, he felt weaker, struggled on stairs, and almost fell. After starting this exercise for 2 to 3 minutes daily, he regained strength, balance, and confidence. Today, he moves freely and enjoys life without fear, all because of one simple exercise. Here's what happens when you do this exercise consistently. 1. Stronger legs and glutes. 2. Better balance and stability. 3. Reduced risk of falls. 4. Easier daily activities. 5. More energy, confidence, and independence, and it only takes 2 to 3 minutes per day. Don't wait until it's too late. Start today. Save this video, do this exercise daily, and share it with friends or family over 60. They'll thank you. Comment below, yes, if you're ready to protect your strength. Never make the mistake of skipping this exercise once you hit 60. Every day you delay is a day your strength, mobility, and independence slowly fade. These movements aren't just good to do. They're essential for keeping your body resilient, your joints healthy, and your muscles strong. Start today, even if it's just a few minutes. Consistency matters more than intensity, and small steps now will pay off massively in the years ahead. Imagine moving freely, bending without pain, and living life on your terms, not limited by aches or weakness. Don't wait until it's too late. Commit to your health, take action, and build a body that serves you for decades. Stay strong, stay independent, and I'll see you in the next video.